Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Passion Forever. I am fine and I hope that will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, you are watching the best and trendy collection of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season. Completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, my video see till the end because next you can see much more collection of raincoats. Dear friends, if you want to see much more collections of transparent banana raincoats, PVC raincoats, shiny banana raincoats and much more collection of rubber raincoats, you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion